Because Tidal Rave, you will be there. Sports Stadium gig, you will be there. The reason is because we are in the church, the house of God, but one foot is in the world. Look at the way worldliness and secularity have entered into the house of God. The pastors are worldly, church people are worldly. We now have prophets, most of them don't fear God. Their lifestyle, their communication, you can tell without any iota of that way. You can easily tell. I was on the, I saw television, and this happened on TV3. I sitting there and watching TV3, and suddenly I saw a malam at Kawukudi Park, and they were conducting deliverance. I have never been confused like that, because I'm watching television. Sorry. In the name of the acts and the works of the Holy Spirit, I am now seeing somebody who is a malam and manifestation, and I'm asking, which one is this one? No, which is it? Into one would take them and nonsense and then I will pay your media and you tell we be biswachu because if you are here because America visa the need orientation, I think that you have missed the Lord, because we are not here just for the needs. We are also here to seek ye first his kingdom and his righteousness. I will repeat what I said. We are here to seek first the kingdom and the righteousness. I'm talking to you. We are here to seek first the kingdom and the righteousness of the kingdom. We are here to seek the fear of God. We are here to tremble at his word. We are here to learn the ways of God. We are here to learn the fear of God. We are here to learn the righteousness of God. We are here to receive the holiness and the pristinity and the chastity of God. We are here so that we can be like Jesus.